Hello everyone. Welcome to this course on making AI generate music with Suno.ai. As you already know, Suno.ai has been a very powerful new web app that has been revolutionizing and democratizing how easy it is to generate music with just a few prompts. So, who am I? I'm Ronaldi. I'm a software engineer and your instructor for this course. I currently hold all 13 certifications from AWS, 20 certifications from Microsoft Azure, and 7 professional certifications from Google Cloud. I've been an international speaker at over 40 events and conferences. I'm an instructor for the successful Amazon Bedrock Masterclass, and I currently have over 1,500 students in Udemy. And I enjoy all things generative AI, open source, music, and virtual reality. So, what are some skills that you'll gain? You'll be able to create your own AI generated music with just being able to master how to prompt properly, understand the proper techniques in prompt engineering for creating the music you want, and learn the potential of integrating generative AI music into your music production workflows. So, what's the major learning objectives? You'll learn the architecture of being able to set up these kinds of workflows, be proficient in prompt engineering, understand the techniques to be used in these kinds of prompt engineering, and also be able to customize, build, and scale according to your own needs. So, who are you? You can really be anyone, whether you're a developer, an AI enthusiast, musician, music enthusiast, as long as you have the passion for music and the will to learn, then you're all welcome. So, thank you. And I really look forward to seeing you join me on my expedition in being able to develop the best music there is within AI.